There she is. There's my girl. There she is. Yeah, they're pouring in now. Hey, baby girl, you think you can see better than I can? I'll let you record if you want to.
It's $20. That'll be kind. I'm giving her $20. Just zoom in. There's Rainy. I see her. You see her on the camera? Right there. I want to keep. There goes Rainy.
Okay, we'll pause it, baby, and let's see if we can get
The
her.
field people though.
Terry, come on, we gotta save the battery juice. Okay.
There's the what do you call those people again? Red people.
Those are the Cardinals.
There's the Cardinals, and I have no idea where the. What?
Okay, that's enough. We'll save it for the field time. There they are. We gotta get the dragon on here. The dragon tent.